Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We'll take our key. We're going to open our trunk. The spare tire is located under here. Grab right here. Pull this up. You can pull this mat out completely to make it easier. To remove the spare tire, I'm just going to grab right here. We're going to loosen up this nut that secures the tire down. Pull that off. We can pull the tire out. To pull the jack out, just going to grab right here. You're going to untwist this. And then we can pull it out. And then our tool bag is located right here. Yours may be down there somewhere else. You can pull the tools out of the bag. I'm going to set the jack up right here. I'll just twist by hand. You can lift it from this little location on the pinch weld. You can see there's a cutout. There's 2 notches. And there's this the same on all 4 corners of the vehicle. Just stick it there. And we can take this tool and this and we'll raise it up a little bit. I'm not going to raise the tire completely off the ground yet. I just want to raise it up a little bit. I'm going to pull the hubcap off. You can grab it and just pull. If it's a little bit difficult, what you can do is this side of the tool is like a straight head screwdriver. We'll get underneath here and then just pry it out, pull it off. Right, so I'm going to take the lug wrench. I'm going to loosen up these lug nuts. You want to make sure, like I said before, that the tire is still touching the ground so it doesn't spin. Also, make sure your parking brake is on. Loosen these up. We're just going to crack them free. I'm not going to take them off yet. Once those are all loose, then we can lift the vehicle a little bit more. Take this tool, stick that back in the jack. Raise the vehicle. You want to make sure you're doing this on a level surface, as level as possible. And try to do it on something solid. You really don't want to be doing it in dirt. As we're tightening this is raising the vehicle. And once we see that there's some clearance underneath the tire, we can stop and take the tire off. Loosen these lug nuts up. And take those lug nuts off. And if the tire's stuck on a little bit, try to hit it, knock it off, and pull it out of the way. Take our spare tire, line it up with the lugs, take the lug nuts, put the lug nuts on, and just snug it up a little bit. with the tire iron. All right, then we're going to lower the vehicle down slightly until the tire touches the ground. Just loosen this to the left, and that brings the car down. Once we see the tire just touching the ground, then we can stop. Now we're going to snug these up some more. Now, if you're out, you're probably not going to have a torque wrench, so just do the best you can. Don't tighten them too much, but once they're snug, give them another like quarter turn or so. You want to do it in a star pattern so it tightens the wheel down evenly. If you did have a torque wrench available, you're going to use a 21mm socket. We actually sell these torque wrenches at 1aauto.com, and you would torque these to 83 foot-pounds. Now we're going to loosen up the jack and let the car all the way down. One thing you're going to want to keep in mind about these donut spares, they are a temporary use. You only want to use these to get back to the shop in an emergency. You don't want to drive too far on them. You want to make sure they're inflated to the specification. This tire actually should be inflated to 60 psi. And get back and get a new tire.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.